Now, factor everything. First thing I'm going to do with number 6, I'm going to factor out a -1 up top because I don't like using the negative here. And that'll change it to n squared minus 16n plus 63. So all factoring out a -1 does is change the signs. So I'll get a -1 times two things here. And then I'm going to get two things down here. Now, for the top, do I know two numbers that multiply to get to 63 that add to -16? -9 and -7. 23? Yeah. So it'll be n minus 9 and n minus 7. Because 7 times 9 is 63, but -7 plus -9 is -16. Now, do I know two numbers that multiply to get to 35 that when I add them it's a -2? Yeah, n minus 7 and n plus 5. Now, if we're just going for the simplified version of this, we divide out the n minus 7s, we'd get -1 times n minus 9 over n plus 5. Or you could have said, if I switch this would be 9 minus n over n plus 5. Because negative would make the n negative and make the 9 positive, so it would just switch it around. But for excluded values, I need to take the n minus 7, set that equal to 0, and what do I get? That'd be 7. And if I had n plus 5, set that equal to 0, what do I get? -5. So, to please the mathematicians all around the universe, we'd put it in a set. And remember, that's just set notation. And all that does is it tells me that I have a group of numbers that are going to meet this characteristic. A set is just a group of stuff, like a set of baseball cards or a set of comic books or a set of shoes.